Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a healthy Salisbury steak. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So in a large mixing bowl we add our mixed beef. Then we add some panko breadcrumbs, some courgette and carrot that have been finely grated and all the liquid squeezed out of them. Some diced onion, some garlic granules, some dried oregano, salt and pepper for seasoning, and an egg. Now the only way to do this is get your hands in, get messy, get it all mixed up. Now that we have it mixed up, we're going to make it into burger patty size. Now folks, if you find value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and I can make more videos for you. So just take your mixture, split it down the middle or into four depending on how big you want them, and just make them into burgers. This is quite a wet mixture folks, please don't worry about it. It will firm up whenever you cook it. Now over to our frying pan. So we put a medium sized frying pan that has a lid and we put it onto a medium heat. Spray some low cooking oil onto your pan and then we'll add our steaks. Cook the steaks for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until sealed and browned. Please be careful with these as they can be quite delicate. Then we'll take the cooked patties and we'll just set them to the side. Now in the same frying pan we're going to spray some low cooking oil. We're going to add some onion, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till it starts to go translucent, and then to that we're going to add some sliced mushrooms. Now give that a stir around, cook it for another 6 to 7 minutes just until the mushrooms are cooked and the onions are fully cooked as well, starting to caramelize. Now that our onions and our mushrooms are cooked, we're going to add our beef stock. Obviously homemade is best, but if not you can always use stock cubes. Then we're going to add some tomato puree, some Worcester sauce, some balsamic vinegar, and then our corn flour mixture. Give that a mix round and the sauce will start to thicken up. Once the sauce is thickened, we're going to put our steaks back in. Pop them in, pop a lid on, let them cook for about 15 minutes. Take the lid off, just cover them with some sauce, make sure that they're fully cooked through. Let them simmer for another 5 minutes so that the sauce can thicken. Then we'll just check them with a meat thermometer just to make sure that they're fully cooked. Now these are both ready. It's time to serve our Salisbury steak. Now I've just served mine with some mashed potato and some frozen peas. I do have a recipe for Irish champ which I will link in the description below. So if you want to serve it with that, it goes really well. Now folks, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video for Salisbury steak, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and I look forward to seeing you in my further videos.